वेलकम फ्रेंड्स. ओके, प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप मेरे इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड कमेंट मी इन कमेंट बॉक्स about the videos. Okay, so friends, in this question we will study how to prove SR is equals to 5 PQ. Okay, so what is in this question? Given that in trapezium PQRS, PQ parallel to SR, AR is equals to 5 AP, AR is equals to 5 times AP, okay, and AS is equals to 5 times AQ, and we have to prove that SR, this SR is equals to 5 times PQ. Okay, so for this we have to okay, in solution, first what we are looking at, triangle. In triangle, so first we are writing here given. Okay, what is given? PQ is parallel to SR. Okay, this is given. These are the parallel sides, and SQ is a transversal, okay, and we know the two parallel lines and transversal, the properties of two parallel lines and their transversal we have studied. So according to this, what we can write? That we can write that angle PQS is equals to angle RSQ. Okay, and what is the reason? We can write that these are the alternate angles. Okay, alternate angles, and we know that S, A and Q lie on same line, S dash A dash Q, and P dash A dash R. By this, what we can write? We can write that PQS, we can write PQA also. Okay, so we can write that angle PQA is equals to angle RSA. Okay, RSA from 1, if we give it as question number 1. Okay, now in triangle PAQ and triangle RAS, in triangle PAQ and triangle RAS, what we have to prove? That we have to prove these two triangles similar, then we can take the ratio of their proportional sides, then we will get this value. Okay, this is the method to prove. So for proving these two triangle as a similar triangle, the first step is we are getting this angle. Okay, this angle is same, and the second one is angle PAQ is equals to angle RAS, this is second. And what is the reason? This is a opposite angles, we can say that opposite angles. Okay, now by the test of angle, we can say that these two triangles are similar. So we can write here triangle PAQ is similar to triangle RAS. By which property? Angle test. Okay, now after proving these two triangles are similar, what we can take? We can take the ratio of their sides. they are in equal proportions. So we can write here PA upon RA is equals to AQ upon AS is equals to PQ upon RS. What is the reason? Okay, reason, corresponding ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, this is a reason. Now we have to prove SR is equals to phi PQ. Okay, phi PQ. And what is given? AR is equals to 5 AP. This is given. Okay, AR is equals to 5 AP. This is given. If we put this value at the position of AR, RA and AR are the same. Okay, 5 AP. So in this equation we are putting the value of AR, that is 5 AP. So now substitute the value of AR in this equation, or we can write this equation number 3. Okay, put the value of AR, this is given, AR is given. Put the value of AR in equation number 3. What we are getting? Look at the board. Okay, AP and PA is same. So PA upon 5 AP, okay, is equals to AQ upon AS is equals to PQ upon RS. Okay, if we AP and P are the same, if we cut same thing from both sides, there is no matter. Okay, we can cut AP and PA from here. So what we are getting? 1 upon 5 is equals to AQ upon AS is equals to PQ upon RS. And what we have to prove? We have to prove SR is equals to 5 PQ. So this is unwanted. So we can take the ratio of these two also from this equation. So we will take 1 upon 5 is equals to PQ upon RS. Then after cross multiplication, what we are getting? SR is equals to 5 PQ. Okay, hence proved, which we have to prove. Okay, thanks for watching this video.